Hey beautiful, welcome back. So I needed to wash my hair. It's been like 2 weeks since I washed it last if not more than ever since the children have been in the house, on break. I've not had any calls to go out so often as I used to anymore. So being in the house and doing most of the things in the house does not expose the hair to dirt and dust out there. So I don't think it's that dirty. I just feel that because of the heat, the sweat will every now and then has started making my hair to smell funny, I'll say. So today I decided to wash the hair and just get this refresh smell and feeling back onto my hair. From my previous video, I've mentioned that the shampoo that I use, Top Class, which is easily found here in Nigeria. I still use Top Class, no other shampoo. Okay, so the only difference that I made is to add tea tree oil to it, okay, and to the water that I used in rinsing my hair. I just love that soothing effect that the tea tree oil gives to my scalp, and the subtle smell, the subtle scent that it gives. I love that as well. So that is what I did, and actually this is the second wash because initially I didn't know that my video was not running. I paused it and I did not remember to play it back. So this is the second wash. That is why the soap is appearing clean.
You were always overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop tying yourself into way too many knots. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Settle down, just take a breath, and your worried thoughts will slowly fade away. Live in the moment, don't look back. Allow your heart to run free and you'll stay on track. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun?
I can't keep my heart in one piece. Stay high for a minute. Tongue tied, I don't wanna go home. You and I.
So I'm done with the washing and the rinsing of my hair. Everything is looking sparkling clean. It's actually feeling so as well. So I'm going to be spraying my scalp with the oil sheen, and at the end of the day I will use my hand to rub it all over and massage my scalp over again. So the way I do this is to part my hair line by line, just to make sure that all the oil gets to every part of my scalp. I usually like to do this when the hair is like 50% dry, okay, just to lock in moisture on the hair as long as possible.
TBH, I need CBD. TBH, I don't wanna leave. Baby, you're the MVP. Look so fine in a white one piece. Dreaming you when I fall asleep. Dreaming you when I RIP. So used to chasing falling stars. Love's not supposed to be paper thin. So if I stay here, don't rip me apart. I'm already scared to begin with. I can't keep my heart in one piece. I can't keep my heart in one piece. Maybe you can show me. 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 We set out to sea with a map made from a dream on a boat called Love and Wonder. With the wind behind our sails, the harbor wished us well. We went out towards the colors. The waves got turning, we got nervous. All we built was sinking down. It might be time to turn this thing around. It might be time to swim instead of drown. 'Cause I won't waste another moment leaving our ship broken, just waiting to be found. So let's swim instead of drown. I'm doing all I can to be a better man, but the rain clouds in my memory are drowning out my chance. And I can't take the wheel, I can't tell you what to feel. If I'm the only one who dreamed this up, then leave me lying here. The waves got turning, we got nervous. All we built was sinking down. It might be time to turn this thing around. It might be time to swim instead of drown. 'Cause I won't waste another moment leaving our ship broken, just waiting to be found. So let's swim instead of drown. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. It might be time to turn this thing around. It might be time to swim instead of drown. 'Cause I won't waste another moment leaving our ship broken. Won't let another feeling leave my heart unspoken. I can't bear to watch us sink away into this ocean, just waiting to be found. So let's swim instead of drown. If you go, go slow, 'cause there's some things I'd never told you. Why, I don't know. I guess I've never been as bold as you. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn, but where do I start?